Yeah, I love my mama, she the reason I believe I come from something. Asking how I'm good at writing, I'm fucking with my science teacher. I kill a nigga, even playing with my sister. Put the powder in his brain like the Nazi leader. I just flash around my style, shadow call my dealer. Bought a second bitch to my crib, mama calling, tryna be my man, tryna be like him, tryna put my shit on Twitter, Gucci and can talk about my children. I'm tired of falling on my demons, letting I be dreaming. Lately I've been thinking what the real is kinda glitching. Now you got me next to shout me, God protect me and my family. Make the money, build the business for my prison, for my children. I made it back, I'm flipping, I made another million. I wish I could get my therapist, baby, put you on my checking list. Living with the pain, never mention I was struggling. We got bigger problems, my niggas grinding. That's why I'm flawless, selling on this beat, chasing all this money. Fucking niggas, petty fine niggas, why you playing kids? That pretty bitch, figuring why she always want my man. Put me on my phone, it's my lawyer, Annalisa. We talking homicides, I'll be killing all my features. Bad exhaust, but my future finally reached. Just fucking check my blueprint. Where I'm coming from, nigga, probably about to cry. My baby had me back, the shawty made me smile. I was running for some niggas, I had to get my life. I'm just riding for my heart, I don't wanna live a lie. Thoughts on my grind, money on my mind. I'm only fucking with the truth, fuck you and your lies. I love my bitch and then my kids, I love them twice. My mama, she the queen for the love and the advice. I pray to God and make me win, struggling all my life. Bigger to my real, appreciate you for your love. Pussy niggas talking, hating me for nothing, hating on my grind. How to listen people so I can focus on my life. Niggas honest man, what the niggas do for money. He ain't gonna shoot you just for nothing, and I'm talking about the money. Zero close my government name, starting feel that you a snake. Niggas hustling, why you asking names? Balling young at 23, wait till I get 50. Making cash like many man, Trafatan Islamic through the women. Niggas please check out my lean where I'm cashing out with children. Yeah, my shit changed, I'm a different person. Like the nigga on my IG, I'm tryna hustle and my kids what I mean but get a life. I'm tired of politicians, what's my grind? She said that she would die for me, why she always on my mind? I hear my smoke in my jacuzzi, Kendrick be my type of name, but it is my type of game. Gonna turn up from Kukuzi, I swear. Snakes in my grass, I got me alone more, I swear. I'm tired of switching hoes, I don't wanna be alone. It's my baby girl I choose. I still remember how we met. Met her in the school, I was dreaming, chose. Now pussy niggas, y'all see me in the news.